Hello and welcome to General Chemistry 2. This is Chemistry 1120 and it is an online class. There's a lot of interesting stuff coming up this semester and hope you're looking forward to learning a lot of cool things and putting a lot of good math into science. Because this is your first pop-up video, just want to make sure you're aware of where to find a few things. After this video, you will see a page that looks like this, and this is a nice overall quick summary of everything you should know about the course. Then you'll be able to see just the general due date schedule so that you have an idea of what's to be expected. If you want to also go ahead and get all of the due dates for the semester, there's a link here as well as some information about the Brightspace Pulse app, so you're welcome to jump to that too. The other thing is that when you go to an on-ground class, your first day usually involves information about your professor, information about the syllabus, and so there's a section of this course that's designed to cover that information. So when you go to the Getting Started, there are a few different folders. In this folder, you'll learn about your professor, and your professor is not necessarily me. I am the course designer, and your professor may have additional information about themselves in this section. You'll also find the syllabus. Make sure you scroll to the middle section around where you see the pie chart. That's where all the really useful, interesting student information is. And then notice that there are 3 videos in here. This is like what you'd get when you go in and the professor's just explaining things about the class. Maybe you'd raise your hand, ask some questions. Hopefully these 3 videos will give you all the information you need to know. The top one is about the course layout. It kind of explains how you do the learning, how the book works, how the learning links work, everything like that. The second one goes through the policies, when is homework due, well, what kind of tries do you get on the homework, all that kind of stuff. And then last one is more about how eLearn is laid out and what you should look at doing next. Don't forget there's a little bit more information here. There's also information about your lab kit that you'll be for performing all your experiments at home. And then there's information about how to succeed in this course. Just a lot of suggestions. You'll notice there's previous students' advice. There's some ideas for how you might want to divide up your time if you have a less common life schedule than maybe other students do, and that's in this section. And then finally, there are printable documents. You'll have access to all of these the whole semester, but note that the spring schedule, the full printable spring schedule is right here. Looking forward to working with you this semester and hope that you have a great semester.